Welcome to Shurley English and the 2-Minute Tip of the Day. Today's 2-minute topic is about the semicolon, simplified. Semicolons don't have to be mysterious. There are only two reasons to use a semicolon in a sentence. First of all, a semicolon is the punctuation mark used to join two independent clauses when you write some compound sentences. Second, semicolons can be used to avoid confusion when you have a complicated list of items in a sentence. If you see a semicolon, the sentence is most likely a compound sentence. Semicolons are used to join two independent clauses that are closely related in meaning. It's that simple. No other punctuation is required besides the semicolon to separate the two statements. No one uses simple sentence after simple sentence to communicate, so use the semicolon to join two closely related sentences. It's easy. Look at the compound sentence. It says, I read a new mystery, semicolon. It was exciting, period. Let me show you another way to form a compound sentence using a semicolon. Sometimes a connective adverb is used to join two independent clauses. Connective adverbs show how the two clauses being joined together are related. The second clause might add information, show reason or result, or show contrast or choice to the first clause. To write the sentence correctly, you must place a semicolon after the first clause and a comma after the connective adverb. Check out this example. I use the connective adverb, however, to show contrast between the two clauses. The sentence now says, the storm was unexpected, semicolon. However, comma, we were prepared, period. Besides compound sentences, semicolons are used to avoid confusion. When you have a complicated list of items, semicolons can be used for clarity. The rule of thumb says, use a semicolon to separate items in a series when the items include other commas. Take a look at this example. Without the use of semicolons after each city and state, there would be a confusing amount of commas in this sentence. Remember that semicolons don't have to be mysterious. Start using them in your writing today. Thanks for watching the Shurley English 2-Minute Tip of the Day. Until next time, you can check out our website at www.shurley.com.